Here's another little update. I'm grinding all the factory slag from when it was casted. Taking all these rough edges out. Getting everywhere that's sharp. There's some stuff down in there. I'll take the bearings out. These cylinders are somewhat tapered. Up here is a little bit wider than down there, so I'm gonna have to take it to the machine shop and have them bore it. I'm probably just gonna go 20 over. Right now I'm just kind of cleaning up all these sharp edges. Anything sharp, go around, flip it upside down, do the same underneath, make it smooth. There was a lot of factory slag on these back 2 lifter bores, so I'm cleaning that out right now. Some stuff back in here that's all wonky. I'm gonna try to get in there, clean that the best I can, smooth it out at least. That's about it. I didn't want to take it to the machine shop, but it is what it is. They're off by about 10 thousandths up here compared to where the bore was originally, down at the bottom, 3.91. So, alright, just an update.